Hey guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. So I might be looking a little bit colourful today, as before this video I had just done a video on the new Jeffree Star and Shane collaboration, and this is the end result. You might kind of recognise this advent calendar. I did do an advent calendar a couple of weeks ago, and it was the NYX Love Lust Disco 24-day advent calendar. This is the NYX Love Lust Disco advent calendar, but this one is the 12 days. So they released two advent calendars this year, one being 24 and one being 12 days. If you haven't watched my 24-day, click off this video and quickly go and pop and watch it, because I might say some things that are spoiler if you haven't got it or haven't seen it yet. So yeah, quickly go over and watch that and then come back. So obviously in the 24-day, every single product in there was full size. I couldn't believe it. Amazing. And I do believe that this is another full size advent calendar, but this one is all lipsticks or lip products. We did have lip products in the other one, but they were mostly purples and reds. This is more of like pinky nudes. So the pictures that I have seen say. We don't know until we open it, but I'm pretty sure it is more nude and pink shades, which yes, please. So the packaging is just like the 24-day advent calendar, except from this one is like a rectangle, and then the other one was like a boxed square design. And on the back we have all the product design, and it just says, "This perfect gift for any beauty lover. Get the holiday glam on with our selected shades of our most iconic lippies." So before I get into this video, I just want to say this is a spoiler video. You will be seeing everything that is inside this advent calendar. So if you're saving yours until Christmas, then please click off this video and watch something else that I have. I have a lot of different videos, like the Jeffree Star and Shane collaboration that will be coming out before this video. I also forgot to mention that I got mine off of lookfantastic.com. It was £30. I think it's worth £60 or £80. I'm not too sure which one of those two, but I did get mine off Look Fantastic. But you can get it off NYX's own website. It's on there as well. You can't get it off Superdrug or Boots. It's not on there, but the 24-day one are. So you can only get it on Look Fantastic and NYX's own websites. So that's everything I want to say about this advent calendar. Let's dive straight into this video and open up day one. So for day one, we have the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in the shade Seduction. Now this is a nudie brown shade. I don't think I have this one. I do have a couple, but not this one. I'm just going to open it up and do a little swatch. And there's the swatch for Seduction. It's not a typical shade that I would wear. It's a brown. I don't really wear browns, so I might be giving this to someone else if I can find someone that wear browns. But the formula for the NYX Lingerie liquid lipsticks are amazing. Really good formula. They feel amazing on the lips as well. So that was for day one. Okay, so for day two, we have a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. So it's in the shade London. Again, it looks like a nude shade. And there's the bad swatch for London. Oh my god, that is so bad. But it is more of a softer brown. I'd most likely use this one than the darker one, because it is more of a soft shade, and add it in with maybe like a really dark pink or something. But that is the swatch for London. So for day three, we have a butter gloss, and this is in the shade Madeline. I think we've had butter glosses before, but they've been like really small, like sample sizes in advent calendars, not a full size. So I'm really happy to see what this shade is like. So there's the swatch for Madeline. The shade would go really nice with London. On top of that would look absolutely perfect, even though the soft matte isn't exactly a matte, but if you wanted it a bit more glossy, then you could always add the Madeline on top. So the butter gloss in Madeline is for day three. So for day four, we have the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Soft Spoken. Now this shade looks quite interesting. It looks like it's got some sort of like a reddy tinge to the brown. I can't wait to swatch it and see what it looks like. So there's the swatch for Soft Spoken. By the swatch, it doesn't look like there's any red to it at all. It just looks like a deep brown shade. So that was for day four. So for day five, we have a NYX Suede Matte Lipstick in the shade Clinger. I think that's how you say it, Clinger. And by this shade here, I am going to love it. If that is the true shade, I'm absolutely going to love it. And that's what the shade Clinger looks like. Wow, I would definitely love this shade. Woo! That is a bright pink. I might actually apply this to my lips and see what it looks like. Yes. And there's a shade Clinger on my lips. Oh my god, I love this. I love this shade. It definitely goes with this side of my eye look. But yeah, definitely love this shade. Wow. So that was for day 5. So for day 5, we have a soft matte metallic lip cream in the shade Copenhagen. We've had Copenhagen as well. I think we even had it in the 24-day advent calendar, so you get it in this smaller one as well. And then there's the swatch for Copenhagen. It's just the same as the other one. I will be gifting this one away as I don't want to really, but that is a stunning shade. It's like a burgundy metallic shade. It is stunning. For day 7, we have another butter gloss in the shade Tiramisu, and it looks like a really nice mauvey pinky shade. If it is, wow. And then there's a swatch for Tiramisu. If this was in a matte lipstick, then I would be all over that. But because it isn't a gloss, I don't really like glosses. That is kind of putting me off because it is a stunning shade. But because it's a gloss and not like a matte or like a soft matte lipstick, I'm a little bit like, not really. But I mean, I will find a good home for it. I won't keep it myself, but I will gift it away. Pretty sad about that one. But again, there might be the same shade in this advent calendar, but in a matte or soft matte formula. So that is for day 7. So for day 8, we have another soft matte lip cream in the shade Transylvania. I do believe we've had this before, and it's like a pure black shade. They're so handy for Halloween. Obviously not for an everyday look. It can be, but not normally, for me anyway. But really good for Halloween if you want to be like a vampire or a cat. Just having a black lip product in your collection is amazing because you can do so many things with it, and it comes in handy. It definitely comes in handy. And there's a swatch for Transylvania. This has more of like a deep purple undertone to it, so it's not a fully black. That is Transylvania. Love the name, love the shade. Definitely going to keep this in my collection. For day 9, we have NYX Liquid Suede Metallic Matte in the shade Bella. Now this looks like a beautiful shade. And there's a swatch for Bella. It's kind of like a rose goldy shade, which is absolutely stunning. Perfect for around Christmas time, as there's a lot of parties going on. But that is stunning. I do like that one. I would definitely keep this one, as it is kind of like a rose goldy tone. So that was for day 9. So for day 10, we have another NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bedtime Flirt. This is more of a nudie pink shade, and I don't think I have many of this sort of shade, so I'm excited to see if I like it or not to keep it. And here's another bad swatch of Bedtime Flirt. What is wrong with me today? I don't know. This is more of a terracotta shade. It's not exactly what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more pink from the bottle. But it's more of like a nudie brown shade again. So I'm not sure if I'll keep this one. For day 11, we have another soft matte lip cream in the shade Cannes. I think we've had this one again as well in the bigger one. I'm pretty sure we had it in there. This again looks like a matte brown shade. And there's a shade for Cannes. I'm definitely keeping this one. It has got a pink tinge to it, which I do like, which I think would look absolutely stunning on the lips. So that is for day 11. So for the last day, we have NYX Powder Puff Lippie Powder Lip Cream in the shade Best Buds. I've never heard of this before. I didn't know they did something like this, so I'm quite intrigued to see what this is about. It looks like a really nice soft pink shade, so fingers crossed it is, and it turns out that colour because I need it. And this is what the powder lip cream bottle actually looks like. I like the design of this. And then we have the lip puff here. That looks so weird. So I guess you just squeeze it. You have to squeeze it a lot for the actual product to come out. And there's a shade there. It has got like an orange tinge to it, but that is stunning. I do like the whole design of it, but I'm not going to lie, the sponge does creep me out just a little bit. It does creep me out when you see all the product come through. Yeah, it's a little bit creepy, but I mean, I do like the design. So that is the product for the last day. I do like this one. I will be keeping this one. There are a lot of nudie brown shades, which some of them I'm not going to keep, but some I will. I mean, these are near enough the same colour. Well, near enough. This is more deeper than this one, so I'll probably keep this one than this one. Because obviously I'm not like a nudie brown girl, I'm more like a pink one. That's why I brought this. I thought there was going to be more pink shades in here, but obviously I was wrong. This will definitely be a good advent calendar for a person who loves browns and nudes, because that is what it mostly is. And obviously in the bigger one you have more purples and reds with basically different finishes, like metallic, soft matte, a full matte one. There were a lot of different finishes to those shades. We didn't have a lot of nudes or pinks. That's why I brought this one. But I mean, it's okay. A little bit disappointed that was not really a lot of pinks or different kind of like shades of pinks. I mean, there is this really hot pink one, which I'm definitely keeping because wow. But there could have been more like mauvey pinks and more like soft pinks. So a little bit disappointed in that, but I mean, you do get a lot of full sizes, 12 full sizes for £30. It's amazing. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is somewhere down here and it's also linked in my description box for you guys. Go and check that out. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.